Alright, mumero kumathusi monkanto nyere kagite na gakezo kuchamani aja na kinyanto bara bonde beti tenambere na gutegera Meru TV kiruru terarunde kugwata gani ugorobona arua twethiro tukithu jamanto kathumba jegie otongeria bo county namba 12 ndereria county ya Meru manto kathumba jethire taja kiumika kirintuko inkai ishikorokete itoneta kurina ugaruruku kuma kiri kana kirigite kia ongabana aria oreo ari gavana au kanyuma kawera mwangaza eberu gitene giki na Reverend Motomanto Ithingia ethero agijukia kanya kawathani wa county ya Meru eta gavana wa bana wa county izi nyumene nituonete oreo ari gavana kawera mwangaza akirita ntumiri yawe na kwariria mantu kathumba jarethiritu akiona akithuja na nkuruki jaraja umanitie na kwebiru kwawe kirigitikia ongabana manto tata na jangeza maingi izogorobona na tukithujaga kiri uge boria buthirito bugitwa nawome karibu sana na ntukwa narua ora tukithujaga nawe nethirito ari mutongera nene county ya Meru nethirito akionania werubo wabo kurwa na gutigira ati utongeria bwa gavana nene county ya Meru nibugo change na manto jangita sasa karibu sana mugeni watu wantuko
asante sana
okariata
Karibuega, nashukuru kabisa.
Alright.
Bere kambire mumiru ora ontegerete ntuko na rueji marito ya kwaya ta chinchia ni Franklin Muit Karuti na mdebake de bombe orobana rueji mbuete has been a while tutambako that tukiarani there for quite some time lakini nandi we are back na tuina rueru na tuina rest ngoroene chietu na nyawitete uthiurunkete no kuigwa there is peace na atmosphere ni chenjetie bayele mbere our fourth governor Reverend Isaac Mutuma congratulations non tabwa kwithirwa ombete kwithirwa ari governor wa bana wa thirikari yetu ya Meru County na ndimure ongera sana.
Alright. Karibu sana bwana Karuti.
Yes.
Na nkuruki karibu sana mutegeri wetu na mbere tuta nambere na rorero tunkurikanie turi ndene ya mitandao tonya ara rotero Facebook ogatwethera ota Meru TV Kenya ogatwethera u emoko imoga toda like share nkuruki tonya thiri 11.2 FM kinyana okethera ogetwethera like na share rotero YouTube tanya Meru TV digital ninyo okethera ogitwagataga imwe kwa imwe nkuruki na mbere okona ndeguru TV yakuno ethera kidogo ogentumagara uge bwaku nyuma ya migambo irera rikirie kuritwa ntukwegoro ni urora ari governor wa county Meru kwa mwangaza kwina uge kana manto kathumba arethirirwa agitariria toketha tukizariria jamwaza lakini kinyawo ugwe ingwetike nurethiro ukijathikira na no ethiro uri na uge bwaku kana uri na kiuria kiri manto jau ogorobona arwa kethiro ngithoma enya manto jo jonda kiri rutero WhatsApp kiri namba iri ukona ndegoro ya TV yaku. First of all bwana Karuti itukuonete ugono wari umwe wa atongere baraba ethagero bakirwa sana gutigira kuri na ugaruruku bwakawira mwangaza nako ebiro gitine na ituonete ibu atere step to step monka muthia ntuko yagoro toreigero kawira mwangaza kiri tanto meri na kwegintwa ndenda kwambire na gintu kimwaza araugere anto bathuje na bategere ntuko ere swearing in anto bara bonde bare ibo bedritwe bakirwa nawe all the days bara bayarage podium nedritwa kiuga Ameru bategere bwaga na ritho rire gatongera bara bonde bare bara baruire noe bonde bana motive chiote motive cha gutethia Ameru I don't know mbako gata ke matuza
ibwega my brother bombere kambwe atongeria betu ba Meru ibabatere kwithiro bakewa gitio otaura twithirito tukea Madam Kawira Mwangaza the former governor gitio kiawe rirarari governor wa Meru kinya kethira ituraragia kwi manto yamwe tutikiumba kuthithia kana kuthithiria the former governor ituramwete gitio right Thinera nene rario na the former governor nika atina atethirwo ari na exposure ya ura atongeria bomba kuritaniria ngui bayamwe. How can we bring the leaders together kenda ba work towards kuachieve the development na utethere mwananchi bila kwenda. So kwa tuikarira kuona former governor Kiraitu, rira kuona former governor Munya, rira kuona former CS Linturi, rira kuona the speaker, the deputy speaker Senate and our MPs na MCAs ari bona bakaria maitha. Ato bona bakaria atongeria bangi. Na kwa tuikana ndi no nta kuria kusia line na other leaders. Na kuria mea kuri untwire bwantu. Meru itwire watanirite, meru itwire ikintu kimwe, meru itwire itindo. Uyu akwe ya kwenda kuona the class, the poor, the rich, akwenda kwathura nantu in that basis. So kinyegoro akeria kurumanga kubash na kuwira atongeria bara that ibo thina yawe, atongeria bara our former leaders and even our current leaders tibo thina yakawira completely. Thina yakawira imoromo yawe, thina yakawira aukumire itine kia governor atiambite kuithoya na amenya nitikikaria atia ki aukuma. Muntu akiurana no thomairwa a certain part ni irreverend kana bishop kana pastor akure nuithoyete pio na wamwa ati no kwenda ukuma kire institution yeye okoru nuithoyete no menya ati institution iro kwenda ukuma ete chogana nyuma ni weta na mbere na ndo yumire wherever she came from akithona ya governorship no umona manto ya yangi ibo ntoko na ritre manto ya women rep ayareta kire manto ne ya governorship manto yara charity work mandrabut miringit ayaka mataya retana, but that is past. Our former leaders and the current leaders, they are not the problem to Madam Kawira Mwangaza, the former governor. Nwe wengwa rurumerwa awe na mithithirie ngwichi yawe wengwa wirete mathina yararari nayo. It is none, not even a single leader. Utiwendete kiawe Kiraitu arushindo bacemania no tharakanithi mbere ya president, deputy president arawanta cindro muntu mwekuru utheri ndacindro ni mwiturirwo mauta o murungu na kwa nifiesete mantu ya karia yau na ndre I want to say na nto beto ba miru ibaibwe na nto beto ba miru bareke na nkanja na nto beto ba miru bareke na tetu imbinge rurume ruira wa irwenderere ruthe na rurume iruitha yandi mtu ayewa kanya kautongeire na amenyere yarakwaria na amenyere rurume rwawe.
Right. Bona karote tugicoka kirware rurwego rwa Kawira Mwangaza na arataririe senator Omero Kathuri Murungi na kiri akibatariria araugire atongire baba ibaregere gwita ngugi ciao batonyera kumutonyera rwengwa auga senator athuriri ngugi weta useneta atarire uga Kiraitu Murungi na muchindire na eta na uke mantu skuru chi happiness atarire uga mutuma ntu ithinkera monini wa governor na aregere gwita ngugi we ambio concentrate gucogeki. I don't know kuri no mabure ukweli atongire abari bakurekana na ngugi ciao baika full force kiri governor kiri kumkomo birikitene geki.
I want to say this. Kiraitu arushindwete naitre Nairobi na areta chukuru Kawira arawire Senator Kathuri Murungi, the deputy speaker Senate, he has nothing to do with the mere politics. Nyumenau rira Kawira arari governor wa Meru as the deputy speaker wa Senate, as the chairman liaison committee chionde cia Senate, Kathuri was too busy kuya kumingo kana kuinterfere na politics cia Governor Kawira Mwangaza. And if you remember very well, the first person ura wetire ofisini ya Kawira Mwangaza ari gutarwo etikia governor muntu wa mbere wita kuo umwira congratulations, let's work for Meru. Okay, akurikana no kwathia tambicha iseni Kathuri Murungi Boyeli as the deputy speaker. He has so many issues chair the Senate otaku akaria munini wa deputy speaker Boyeli kuthithia legislations sheria cha Kenya. Boya thatu oversight irathithiti bwega muno. As we are talking today, senator na kwenda kurita MCAs na deputy governors minyororo ene ya governors kana the bosses. Kutuike mbecha cia na kwenda county assembly yethro it is an independent institution. Arambecha chio ikwira in their own account but they could defend kiri the governor. Governor abeta vera ineni dransireni kenda ndibongela kina kenu kana ndibuthani ambecha chienu. Bili era Senator Kathuri Murungi athithitie na chairman wa man deputy governors nethiritwo akicokeria Senator Kathuri Murungi nkatho muno ai mwira manto yara kuthithia imanto ya kurita assembly thinene imanto ya kurita deputy governors thinene nonto bwai tundre assembly etena mbecha chioyongwa betera mwankarira governor akauthorize bekirwa mbecha. Senator want to do away with that. Okay. Anafanya hivyo. Boyeli. Okay. Bill ya kuritamira kona kanda aithiritwo amisukumite yana kwa yana. Boya thatu kiuria kia kwenda kumia nonto miraye to yo yana yetanara eitia. That is what he is doing. So what I'm saying, kankuatiri Senator Kathuri Murungi ateya kwethirwa ena interest cha kuura Kawira. Bila Senator Kathuri Murungi athiritwo akithithia ni total oversight kwenda kumenya mbecha ira tukuretera mu Meru ri cio mukinyila icio mutethia ngwene kuriteka mwanka mweta mukamateo kabuyo kamauta. Why? Because okure moingwe okure moingwe one of the raw ngwe moya senator wetu ekurita te kuimpeach Kawira te senator wa impeach Kawira no Kawira a impeach ne county assembly ya Meru senate kayetero confirm whether makosa yara Kawira impeachirwa ni antu ba Meru kabo MCAs kithayuma. So Kawira ata impeachirwa Nairobi impeachirwa Mutindroa barabeta ba confirm. And it is the responsibility of the senator of Meru akaria senator wa Meru kuhakikisha all the resources irachiaretwa ndene ya Meru ikuritira mu Meru ngui na igethero itiritira mu Meru ngui the governor is answerable na batere kwanza kiu ke senator. Nonto no batera kuria chiuria biu. So far from it Kathuri uteka boyo ethirito akamatete ka kuinga governor wa Meru. Boyeli kiraito na sindiro na kula chere ya kwana and mzee has been very happy. It's chairman wa National Oil Corporation as we are talking. Right. Atethro na interest cha kuirete kiringe na kinyana aru ate kuromba. Lakini bae kuona Meru ni uzama. Meru ne huku merinene. Then they came back. Kutethia Meru ete kaure. Lento ureto wa impeachere Kawira. Kana munya. Kana wa area MPs. She was impeached by the County Assembly of Meru. The Senate confirmed. Eambare wita court. Court yeko confirm. Eko rea utayaniria. Eko apondi. Bo Senate yawire. So, kitha na kwenda witethia na kwenda atika watu in depression. Nareka na manto ya the leaders. Na focus na maisha yao ya kurithia nguku na ng'ombe ciawe na kuria na rakana ni ranch just that.
Alright bwana Karoti kidogo tugitana mbere kwena rieto riraumire rito rito puppets ugategera rito puppets igento itauga cartoon gagotumira ora muntu akwenda wakando wenda kathithio jo gakathithia wenda kathithio jo gakathithia Kawira Mwangaza na raugire gento kimwe ekira gitumite etherwa keburu gitina kana kirwo nawe ni uraregere ku bivo puppets erwa ni atongeria chongo cho gachonga erwa cho kukaregere arunga ki stand yawe. I don't know, kuringana nogwe kuna some truth in that. Nere karegere mantojo kwa puppets au ga stand kivyake.
One, atongeri ba meru bonde bona ni confidence na kawira arushindwa, and that's why during swearing in ya kawira kire MP 12 no motari kuna nari na apology.
Okay.
Kire baraba sinda na kawira lentore nareo.
Okay.
Kire ito atamekire bondi bona ni solidarity no mu support rera kuwa kabenro mukata umwethia ai tara cabinet yewe. The worst thing era the former governor thiritwe nayo ni urongo atiomba ku substantiate na atwire that muyumbi wa Igembe North Julius Taitum andetere muntu uyu ndare awikira anjirio mpura.
Alright.
Na atwire lenture andetero ndare awikira anjirio mpura. Na atwire munya andetero uyu ndare awikira anjirio mpura. So some of the allegations ira the former governor thiritwe nachio igwa kana kumalaina wa leaders no bathukangiria ritwa akiu like na aturerende kiria chairman wa Jumbe yirambira mpandike muntu uyu ndare akwandika ibe byatumira anjirio mpura. So whatever she is saying are you out of anger na mithoro mingi utewere anjirie kuanga mporo na mwenderete mwekuru anga amwethe CC angambi I can assure you and I can tell you for free. To be very frank.
Okay.
Mwekuru wa mporo mimbi kinya intobi yawe birathithagia chukuru wewe ng'ombe ciawe nguku ciawe barabara tractor ciawe cia bina I don't want to say muchara yo CC yote kinya ngwira mwekuru wa mporo mba kwithwa kithithaire na bwawe per month. Nande kinyo mwaka rokona kumguanga anga na kuretete ana bawe na kuretete mbi. I want to tell you the truth of the matter that no one utiriwe kinya kiraito kana munya kana anybody ukienda kuthana ni muntu we paritaniria ngwe na former governor because of how she behaves.
Right.
Muntu bogari no akurekondi na wethera na governor ongi bokiara chana ukurekondi na bwethera na bokiara ya na governor ongi machinire na ni ukure mantu very confidential bwo kwara yinyamba mteto ogerianga mteto ni miako inera professionalism, lack of, I don't know whether it is exposure or anything, but we don't want to discuss past. But I want to tell you the truth. Cabinet ya former governor ni antu bawe wengwa ba witarira Igembe North na belle utiro mushurutisha utiro muskumira aitarire wengwa.
Right.
That's what I can say.
Okay. Thank you so much. Mbere tutakire next kuthuja mantu jegirwa ruru rwegoro kwina rutero rwa Facebook nkuona kwina Oscar baga sana ruga good evening. Good evening to you too. Ramsey akoga na real watching all the way from Ngatoro Ngai rutero Facebook baga sana ndetakire rutero ruru ngetia tutegere tone rutero nenke thinga tibeto kuri na mtu gwetwa Evans ruga mochoi niko ndani. Salimia sana Honorable Franklin Karote. Jimmy White Tosh watching hapa gikomene kwangu ibaga sana Jimmy igweta na mbere. Akoria uliza Karote after governor amehama UDA akienda kwa Munyoro si ataonyorosha nyinyi watu wa Meru. Ni hakuria.
We have no problem with that. We wish her well. Na kinyange nao na Ruiro etumbia wanjoy kumone nao.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you gochokia. Bwana Karote kere uge pupu koro kara mwangaza na ratariri nyango ge mwira ithreto akirita na aitariria kathomba nikianda auga ati tinguge ciawe citumite ithero agitwa ikonero kiri mantu jange apart from ngogere ithreto akiritira miro. First of all kiri uitinguge bwa governor twambiritinya na mantu taja kithomo did she do as required?
I want to say mantu-inĩ ya kithomo county government ibatere kundili na into biele ECD and polytechnic. As we are talking, polytechnic here na iri operational. Ira edire chioki kana itioki oka na chianjiria kwa operational ndene ya county ya Meru. Iras bia isindri bira tuona ibira bioki ne kiraitu na munya. Yoro araure no kete iras more than 200 classes. Bumeta Igembe North ndrenda direct of education kana kinya 100 min uro indene na thu a confirm na thara bumete imbije chukuru chia akona muto chionde chia na thu
Okay.
Mora muto primary school aranchi ariri kiras kiokero imunya KK by the primary school, my neighboring school. I don't think kiras kiu kiari kia kiraitu. Mutu ate primary school, kiras kioki kiraitu. Na Inkoro primary school, kiras kioki imunya. Ndene ya na the word, kiriras maneli biara wire no kete 200 classes. Tendra MCO wenonto roronka MCO ke kana any other person from na the world akoringira kwire ni rasi bia na bioki ni former governor ndene na twita mwathi ko mheshimiwa Mutungi wibo ni rasi bia na bioki. I want to tell you the truth. Kawira akethirwo kete iras ndene ya Meru County tiwitikinya bia na iras thaten. I don't think so. Why? Right. MCAs mathiulungire bakethi ya monitoring the other day. Nothing that has been done completely. Mumeru arari wende because urongo burari wikuwa, for God's sake, awa edhere town chiena roko, edhere town chiena ntaka, na maratazi yete ya wa town, edhere hips, kanangongo, chia roko, just the other day, bwana, my brother, ukia weta Nkobo, town, Nja hoteli, very smart hotel liweto ngurunde na ara Nkobo. Njirene au njau. Ukethera kirima kia Ntaka ki barabareni.
Right.
Within Nkobo town. Ukethera Nkobo town yonde today as we are talking and I want someone from Nkobo to confirm
Yes.
if what I'm saying is true or it's false. Within Kataun kauka Nkobo tibala kabarabara karekero lami kakuma natwa wekirete in national government kakuma I don't know kita yantas katuru anore karibu stadium the only a small road dene ya Nkobo town kawete kakatena marina okay hukuma within Nkobo town yonde ore kari utio rotere ro Equity nyumba ya thoko Equity Bank te wetete rotere wa cooperative ukumira na utwenda irwo nguo te ukumirete KCB Bank witetie kwina barabara mbea town ya Nkobo yonde. It's one of the today as we are talking Nkobo are one of the smartest small market and town but as we are talking today muntu Nkobo rondikireti na confirm kethira town ya Nkobo iwe bati kwithwa in such a state na arwa kukaura marina yara ya Nkobo within ka town ya barabara. It is terrible, to be very sincere. So if you go to Mudhara Kenjai, the town was very dirty. Just the other day tuwata tukimurika ora town kwina roko. Araya an example what Timau. Yes, Timau maybe like kabro nambi, but what about Maua? What about Mudhara? What about Kangeta? What about Mutuate? What about Lare? She has done nothing. Julius Taitumu no ware minister wa manto ya infrastructure and transport. Atiete bena kiraitu bekira kabros almost everywhere. Kuma kawira aratura. Wara kabros ya tierro Maua.
wara kabroche tirwe lare ara kware mutu ati chianjiria wikirwa ara kware muthara chianjiria wikirwa it is wora kwa kari just the other day burera urite just the other day kwa urire anto bate kuluka muthara why because of the poor drainage about that around the market na kinya narua ko kaura muthara is impossible ite kuluka irika so na mumeru au na tuina muntu wina kameme karongo etianto mwanko orongo bo kumankoro ene cianto no me onto orongo bo gochokera maita mainge bogara uma orongo bwa orango iriti ndene ya mirweye but wole lingo iri ko iriti you just wonder so ndenda momero ako confirm wherever she is
right.
Because we want to change, we want the current governor to change the state of Kobo town, I change the state of Mutuate market, I change the state of Maua market, I change the state of Kibirechia, all those market I change the state yetio. Tuone ati tuina town yokara o town dene ya Meru antubeye kiaba karia kuna baka wirua. Because all our market, all our towns, they're in bad state. Nandre bora areara no rongo na sinema na vipindiriro vira bitora. So Momeru na confirm wengwa na ndaya na very good example na mtonko ubu ambera itara munya na itara kiraiture ne itarire ku town yenko ethuka arato enda fruit the best fruit ntorene ankobo ntumete ankobo mbata mbinde for quite some time the place is dirty market yethuki ka town kadhoki mudhokira yote yo kawaida na ikaare ka town very smart but we are going to correct that mess mwathani aitotethagia so what was there it was a total lie korongo giantu muthenya
ibwaga sana betikire mbethurangita kagera tageri betu kidogo kiraba kuga ariuga we are following Karote in the show. Mama lacked all what Meru needed. Karote, thanks for winning Meru as a soldier. Ibwaga sana utambera yoteraku lakini message ya kwe kodekiko kinya. Aruga Karote, I confirm Kobo is the worst town in Meru County concerning roadworks. Kirewa ndisio on the Meru County. Nkwene is the worst in terms of development. Kawera never stepped in Kwene, especially Uruko. Aruga etamborugo Kenyanya. Thank you so much. Ongea kauga ambie huyo mtu wakakobia aya naongea asaidii Meru mwambie kuna mdosi kana boss. Na orara reforma boss inyaki ya rating ogeba county ya Meru rari kawera mwangaza mbele ya mheshimiwa Mutumatu idhinki yacho kiotongeria. Pengine nodro to kithikira na kuigwa maybe some few words from some of the employees ba county wigwa urabajokirete this change over maybe mood ya kariata currently kire ground no dro kitwa mood ya kariata so far.
Thank you very much. I want to confirm to you kuma muritiongo account ora munini ora uthithe ya cleanness ntorene mwanka ora uthoranagia says mwanko already quarter narua as we are talking Tony, they are very happy. Why? Tenda kwera Mumeru na Mumeru thigiria boya muno nkwera gitumikira aritingweba Meru awiritwe narua nimbi. One, utiri muntu utendete motivation indeye windre bond member in a certain school na kinyapo kienda na perform no mwangabu motivate arimu kinya muritingwe wende bukenda arita result imbe ano mwankae motivated teta kwera Mumeru atiri ngaba nora wari wenu form ngaba na imurongo aritingwe ba Meru tunde as we are talking cover ya insurance ya sivitari era bara muritiongo account no ete sivitari na kareo tiritwa na mwana wa kareo tiritwa kana mukuru kana mwekuru ura wandiki county no atilo tiritwa nonto mbecha cio ira baraitawa itira kinyora kwagirite ira thana na gwena mbere cia choka ikairo na mwari onyuma boyele muritingwe wa county ya Meru kuri muntu utwere ku renew contract every day na kuiba bakweya baekirwa straight na bakandikwa permanently ithirikari ire rariku muntu ayetwa akeye communication director au obisine ngavana within no time asekondwa akaendwo nange ai and mean ayeta kuorwa atongere bara bathuri na kura no barumanga ku and he or she is not a substantive one and mean or whatever muthikirio Meru kuketha kwina director one a substantive director for example director wa early childhood whatever manto ya education Mrs. Nkobitu a substantive director okura muchara yo director akaritwa etene kya director akaritwa bicine aye kwa korindwene deputy wawe akaitethwa director okuria muchara yo director a substantive director aye kwa korindwene bokaitetheru another person in acting capacity director areo lakini ongea yekero in acting capacity na director areo kinyoro indalio ngeto bichine ndethira a substantive director ateno bichi inawari ruwene
athiuruka au ake kana audio
korindwene ana ofisi
na nakurewa
ana ofisi rasmi
na bonde bakurewa
engineer wa rooms engineer mto a very senior person engineer wa munene and director akarito akaria float thito na a substantive one and mean akarito no tono nerwe na MCA akareta agero angaria na Uganda delivery unit batugero bawi baleba wondi bawi baleba it was mess. It was a total mess. Secondly, every member of county assembly or every work kana muritingwe wa thirikari ya county bwana Tony kinya wa umete ya waita ngwene Nairobi waita ngwene Kisumu waita ngwene Nyeri waita ngwene anywhere in this country no kwena kintu kita pandriem ikandi inducted biro batere kuewa allowance zero batere kuewa kinya woma ngwene woma mutindo wetete ngwene ndrumuru at the end of the day no batere kuewa allowance yeku ya muritingui no batere kuewa inya allowance ye credit kwa tu credit iko allowance ne kurito pandriem ne kurito lakini muritingui ate dhanachwa chita kiondo ne kya mtu umwe that was a total mess. How can you do such a thing to the employees baku baroye tengui? Total demotivation. So today as we are talking, indira ngavana apishiro areta ku address assembly areta ku address the workers kiri count and quote ara you could see for yourself. Anto ba weretu baringa inya soma seti. The drivers, the admins, the director, everybody was very happy. Kinyama CEC bamono some of the CEC were also very happy. Why? Bamo baera mortgage bange baatwa na ministers baku bamo baewa bange amona deputy governor baatwa. Some of them are very competent, some of them are very sober, lakini betere ba uluanwa batichi mbere kana nyuma. Why? Because of the leadership that was there. That was a total mess. Na Murungu na aratethire Meru yokolewa kuma kirurongo na masinema. And that what as bibo birete Meru yetu ni urongo na masinema na ku treat workers na njirerete agirite. Na ibi atongerie bao kuiba bakirumango anga kobia anga kama tio kaboyo kama uta anga kingangi anga vatal ibyo anto babe derito bakirumirwa utebinge ikuona that muritingo Meru na inyilikite mtoro goite the revenue na inyilikite na kuthithia manto in a very unpopular way kurita manto ya teritika wetasi like yesterday I went to be very frank personally woni yesterday igororere yake ndretere tu personally ndawa kabete Meru general I wanted to get some tondawa yani etiona kirin rendre kirindre ndawa mithemba itano kinya yomwe my friend na kinya tio manto akuriaria ni jirekuo I just wondered kasienda chua Meru general
Nachipata kwa chuo theri.
twera wa manto ifirisi bitari che thirikari lakini ndeye go elo achienda chwani kambe terete kuibo the current governor kethira kinyawe itere awe kaikendwa kana kaikaruma naguo theri I don't know. To be very frank ndero kachienda chwa mpendre moge ziringi system. Ingi I just wondered. Tarenda amenya ni mbua twere free health care.
Yes.
But I'm waiting to see if my governor, the current governor, akathiata footsteps chia governor wa Murang'a kuhakikisha Mumeru akona the good health care ateritete ciringi mubukone yawe mtoro inyelegete we mashinani ara. That's what I'm expecting.
Thank you. Pastor George Mutembei, nkwana nto bejere kuingia muno kinyaro tero FB. Pastor George Mutembei aruga from Kiolone present. Thank you so much Pastor. Mwens Dogiza luga locked utambire irotere rueko ore lakini thank you so much. Bona karote kidogo tugitagera ikuonekene kurina kumeneria after impeachment kana kwebera kwa kawira kiregete kia governor wa Meru. Tuonere kurina kumeneru kana kuorotera kiara rais wa nthiguru ya Kenya William Ruto kire thirikari bakiuga ati nethiritwe iba mumeneria sana bakiuga nethirwe in one or another kinyawa agituma kwebera kwa kawira mwangaza kwina uma in that way.
I want to say this bwana Tony. Imbuiro ringi muntu rothithe impeachment ni MCA. Senator ta confirm. I want to say that President of Kenya, William Samoei Ruto, Deputy President, Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki, but they judges by Court of Kenya can appeal, kana Supreme Court. Na kinyawa nuonete thirikari, nuonete some of the government programs ikiromuya, ikoti. Okay, agwethwa President no influence court ithithia manto no ntati influence some of the project ira thirikari ithiritwe ikienda kuthithe na ikaromu court bate ku influence those project chiendelea. So some things we mtu miago kukaura mite yonde ya njira yotendera na ndri utibo mtu atomba kuiwatilia but I want to say this. The judge was very clear. Utomba kuendia mbarema Nairobi oreta ringe Meru na yondo orenda yareta the same outcome. Kutuika orenda njire o failiwe yo matokete njire. Kethai Nairobi dia Nairobi, kethai Meru dia Meru. Wachindo Meru eta court of appeal. Wachindo Nairobi eta court of appeal. Lakini utomba kutha wikete mauru njire na njire, kamberi njire na kiera njire. That was one of the big une moyere toere advantage ya kuumba na kere ya mbari. It is not about president, it is not about the deputy president, madam governor, inda mwene baringi bicha na president just the other day. Nari kwa Kindiki, nethirito wengu akiroma kimbasha that lindras that no in a connection nabo weko ritwari. Patu kuma turanjiria wita au Nairobi akimpicha wa akarema. Blame president even a single day. Hai tutwe twana toya twaikirira. Nandi thaya anwa reurenge ne ure president no mutetheri kaginya thaya ararero mutethe. So those are past. We passed it tense. I don't think we should engage kana involve president in matters concerning the impeachment. That process was purely the County Assembly of Meru, the Senate of the Republic of Kenya, and the Court of Kenya.
All right.
Abatero pursue na pursue justice here in the court of law.
Kiore kiu ya next actually kiu whether kiu na kurekirene kiu pursue justice. Na raugere ate agatumira every means kuchwa the legal means kutigera nago clear ritore yawe. Number 2 na raugere 2027 bado wako.
Neye.
Kuna ngita kiu giro?
Neye.
Is it possible?
Neye. Ntame ari ya mwari ombere kaiyo nyuma kaiyo ate lakini neye. But I want to assure you what former governor has done to the people of Meru, Kinyakeja. Utire mu Meru womere ko trust. Kawira na utongeri wa Meru ringi. Utiriwe completely. Because antoba Meru kabaire itawa civic education bakiukumanjare ne imbe bakiukumotongeria ne boboi. But I want to tell you and to assure you kinyake yaringi that woman will never assess or never ascend to power. Merue antoba meru bakariba kolokirite manto yaraba kolokirite my brother.
Right.
It will never happen.
Thank you so much Robert Muchoka iboga sana. Pastor Andrew Madeta luga eloquent sa iboga sana ongea kwa watching from Moringene maua no toba madhaja to kidogo tukirikagiria mbere uthero kiuga ugabwaku kwina manto kagiteneka governor Reverend Mutumanto I think yako tukia wathani kwe intotonere akibireta bimwe bira bya bigwitwa ukanyuma neuro ari governor kana Mwangaza na ugere MYS kithero gitakagiro kwina Rangers baraba karagana ara gukaria nyamu itakayone into bingeta view Mount Kenya ran na bingi on your part wekarute no maybe no kuona no go support gochoko ko into bibi na biko no bire bingi bibi areka gitaka kiraito. I don't know what can you say gochoko kwa some of the things ira chiareo ira governor Kawira ari gukinyira
into bibi on the biari bya utethia mwana omiru MYS ana beto ba meru bature na baita training nare ba choka bakaikwa in our technical colleges around here ba pursue the career of their choices. Okay, they are going to saloon ba inge tunde as we are talking some of those na program une weta laini mono because ana ibaurairu inyangu wenja Nairobi wapi bakathiria bakaikwa somewhere tunde as we are talking ka kuna ajira majuu ere ko thithu national government ukakutha tu na anabeto ba MYS batureni tunde as we are talking even the security firms imbingire ko thithua anababeto baturena through MYS ibo baerongwe ke these security firms na baketho baichonera mbeza but that program was killed. That program near na sponsors KCB sponsors from all over becha ire chaurere tunde our young people batena era the basic skill era tukutu baita bakawilau bakeya bakanyire kuthie tomanto hapa na pale ya choka. It is a boost to the young people of Meru project direta are mtu. It was a nice idea munyarera ari ngavana na atiete the Rangers betete batureno manyani nara batureno kuwatia ukaya ntere itieto kuma Bore Tigania West Tigania East Igembe Central Igembe North surveillance kuthiurunga along the Isiolo Ndomoru Bulo Kachuru that area surveillance benangari yiri tunde as we are talking kinya Rangers bobo tekwenda kana beta now. I wish maybe our governor will be advised accordingly. Today, tuena over 200 KPR, National Reservist Reserve, bara tuwe in the national government, yes. Through Kendrekererari Interior, and through the national government, through President William Ruto. Na MPs beto bas kumete mono, Chairman Redekiri, my area MP Taitum, Mporo, Kele, bonde bas kumete to that okewa antobaba NP baba inge mono actually bitu kwenda maybe the governor can deploy baba imutindo in other areas umutederia kundeliver kiri service boboya bitu kwenda ngarira siari Rangers na kuombeka rendikiri na tetheru kitha kwina ngiyomba kurombwa yite kwawe inge nete kwa Mpuru ni thanu mtungi utura kuruira security au kwingana na ng'ombe witwa Philip ayau inge nete Gembe Central inge nete Gembe North KPR baratwe almost 200 something nonto okia wiki anto baba Rangers baba ngi baya na barabe nara manele na batena ngare iketho iringwe ingwembea na lakini bonde bateani rangare neira. So I think with the 200 NPR barato wei munena ke otethia tukomba kuromba inyangari tukalobi inyika ingia tuketho twina ngari inya cia patrol that area. I am telling you the truth tukomba no te MP uthanu ngari atila kuolira ndereva right ote MP wa ngari kuthithe surveillance ndoraira atila kurira ndereva. So me, I support what governor said. Arenda kuwa deploy, arenda kuwa ya nangari, whatever that you will do to make sure antuba area yetu baraba yeri na ng'ombe ile weta ite weta na security ya beef, then atakuwa amesaidia.
Okay. Thank you so much bana Karote kidogo mbere kwa kanyaka few seconds kurita ugaba kuba muthia kwina message yake it is very true concerning Kobo, as Moesha said, since that it is the home of former governor and they differ with Mr. Makasi, she had nothing to do with Kobo. Aruga eta marete kenoti kumarutere ru Kobo. Aruga, hello, I am Derek from Geaki. I'm a living testimony who have benefited by MYS program, so it will be my happiness if the governor revives it to help the young generation. Thank you so much, Derek. Kumarutera Geaki. Kidogo few seconds bana Karote ugeba kuba muthibo riko.
There is something else that I wanted to correct.
Yes.
Then I say my last words. Yesterday, former governor, arawire mutumanto ethingia our governor today, amererie teke awe mata, okiumia kia mbere na anjiria kubanga impeachment. Ndendo mwira na arika nebuboya. Mutuma akiwa mama na uwe kinya kithaka kwendeta mutuliria maru amwire sore paritaniria ngui buboya. Madam Governor ararea. Former governor. Boyele awa muntu utathurwa. Muntu utarombete kia MCA. Muntu utatongeria nombi na muntu utaparticipatire kureta kura kinyemwe kana kurita mbeca cia campaign. Ndendo gwira atiri mumiru. Mutong awa super governor. Aithire toi mutongeria kuma wanene bwawe. Former governor araura utena wa tongeria. Na are mutongeria I primary school. I saw his CV. Na are mutongeria I secondary school. Kumau eta kwa training ya prison. Aikuo he was a leader. Andikwa kwa prison. He became the leader and a very senior person. Kiri prison. Achoka chaplain wa prison. Achoka reverend wa kanisa ya Methodist. Tomonare gembe north kwetu kadhaa tene. Surely, how can the former governor Andrea say that our governor ute anto atongeri kinyamo? Oyele, he is a leader. Wonka mukuru we na mwekuru is a leader. No ntona utongeri muchiyo awe na mwekuru wawe na anabawe. Endra soba one. Mutongeri wanjewe mukuru mwekuru umwe na anabawe, and he knows how to command and how to guide and lead them. So it was a total lie for our former governor kuati our current governor utekinto ano tongeria na bo mwisho awoteria aretere ndendo muratire kwa governor kwawe atekea uya gutho reverend mutumanto ethingia family mtu ethingia ake kinya mathiko ene ya ina nonere my brother to ethingia ari muguru ye kuruba baingi kinya kura cia njewe ake ira kamatita enderia kawira ichi ano mukulukia right kura ironere egembe north egembe central egembe south tigania east tigania west kura irati a member ba kanisa yake Methodist yake ara reverend ira ake akamatita areta kithatini kya kawira icho cha mwetheria governor so na ara ke condemn na ara ona ya mutumate followers mutumas followers my friend
okay
kinyana bawe ake baratiere bakirundu na bawe baratiere kinyaba ai mukuru ai bawa tantane na baraba umwita baba athomethetie. There are so many, so our governors follow us and very sober na ibo iberue the speech of our governor.
Right.
What I am telling our people itwe governor Kanya na akan deliver na statement yekwa ya mwisho to the members of the public, to the members of the county assembly, to our MPs and other leaders. Dendro chogera miambo ya Kadhuri Murungi. Kadhuri Murungi uwere buonkanto murume ure kono meru iyi. Otari no te tari. Anto iba choge ngwene chio. au au choka sanetiwe kuthithia oversight yake
Thank you.
kiraito na ite happiness yewe
Yes.
letore inaire murimi na ita akarimento biawe munya into muibwe na manto ame amurungu na umurure ya mwari na ita na umurungu wa umurure ya mwari ma MPs iya kalitengo etio na CNDF MCA iba ukume mashinani nandre ngavana na wira abathani resources bete mashinani mtu wende utari na kura iba mutuma nto ethingia kanya akarembe aitarire deputy governor aitarire antu bawe baraba mutethia kundeliver to the people of Meru.
Right.
Wa muchugumira nombi na inkwenda kwira atongeri betu ba Meru bukea kwenda ukonfirm rwari rokawira rukarayaru rwa uma urongo bura araratia akiwa antu bakorwanire etikia deputy governor tekia korwanira etikia deputy governor imutumo aitarira mtura wa mwate kurita ngui na maisha yendelee na ngui ya Meru yete na mbere bwega.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Ikuja na gutarira mantu zau kathomba kidogo lakini ntoma mathaje to nikenda tutonyakire nteto wambetikira tu tukithira iria au but tukagwita kairi na kairi kwariria mantu kuringana na thirikari county zi gweta na mbere na kumithuja no ntonya tongera bubo account tukabuthuja still
Kabisa.
na gutegera how it is. Thank you so much mutegeri na barabonde barikio toma message kiri Facebook kiri WhatsApp na kunde irango kurokageri bwaga sana ile barantromba kukurukira cio kidogo imathaje turaja genkuruka but ibwaga sana tukatha tukarutera rungero studio wethero ukithamira nteto cietu Shemeru TV utuko ongo kana Franklin Karote na ndio turakombe mbeta Dennis mutuma ithira urina kagita kega. Asante.